It doesn't matter you're Japanese or not. It matters a little bit. They got enough to feel the pathos of things. Do you feel satisfied with the essence of the quality of your life? Human life attention in your transitions a little bit dedicate enough to feel some sort of beauty in observing things and in observing nature. Talking of the feeling, there are two kinds of feeling. The one is you feel actively. On the other hand, there's the one you feel after experiencing some matters outside. The other two, I tell you once again, you feel inwardly, actively. Conversely, through feeling something, what you get somewhere outside, you come to feel deeply in your heart. Talking of the Japanese culture, there is the concept which is called Mono no aware. You feel the pathos of things. This is quite a matter of your experience. After observing some matters, you feel inwardly, quite sentiently, you are here to feel some sort of common matters. Are you delicate enough to feel the same like others? Are you delicate enough to feel some matters like the one? This mysterious nature tells you this is not a matter of mystery. As a Japanese national, this is a very matter of the greatness of ability. Every human being experiences to feel something. As a Japanese national, I'd like to tell, this is quite a matter of the greatness of the pathos of things. If you are rational enough, if you are sensitive enough to think of applied comparative culture, you do understand. Any persons here on this planet it doesn't matter which country you belong to. It doesn't matter which civilization you belong to. It doesn't matter which culture you belong to. It matters. You feel that the possession of sensibility to feel the pathos of things shall be some sort of common possession as a human being who dwells here on Earth, in the solar system, in one of the galaxies in this universe, supernaturally given. The lecture shall be finished now.